Hey guys, today I'm here with my new toy, the new Sony a6000, and I got actually a really nice bundle, so it doesn't come only with the 1650 lenses, but also with a 55-210, which is great, and a bag. So I'll be unpacking it with you. Let's do it. So you can see it's a big box. Oh, okay. So as we can see here now, they put everything separately. This is the bag. So it's a Sony bag, good size bag. Okay. That is the extra lenses that come with it, the 55-210 over here. And then we have one more box, which is the camera itself. So the Sony a6000, and it does come with a 16-50mm lens. Remove the box here. So we have all the paper, warranty, instructions, and different languages. Oh. Over here we have the cable. It's just a micro USB cable, and a stripe for the camera. Just this little guy that I don't remember the name in English. The battery. The wall plug to charge. And finally the main thing. Oh, that's so nice. That's beautiful. That's really nice. So this is the Sony a6000, already with the 16-50mm lenses. Over here, pretty cool, eh? That's really nice. And let's check the other one. Here we have the instructions and warranty, everything. That's really cool. So this one is the 55-210, and it does come with this as well. So when you're taking pictures during the day and you have lots of light, you can use it on the lenses, so you don't have like the light interfering with your image. Okay, let's place it here. And I'll just open the bag. So here. So we do have a really nice bag that you can change how you want things to be organized inside. And that's it. that's the Sony Alpha 6000 bundle. So here, this is the camera. It comes with the battery and then the cable and the wall plug for the power, like, so you can charge the battery. It does not come with the battery charger over here. This is just mentioned on the box as a recommended accessory, which it's probably a good idea to get as well. So for now, I would have to charge the battery inside the camera. So you just put the battery over here. Then there is this arrow over here. You just have to follow the arrow. Here, it's fine, and SD card would be going over here as well. That's it. Battery is in. So to charge, it will be over here. You have all the connections here. Just have to plug the cable, plug it to the wall, that's it. Then you charge your camera. Yeah, the battery comes really with no power at all, so I'll have to charge it before playing with it a little bit. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video of the Sony Alpha 6000. If you have any comments or something to share about your own experience with the Sony Alpha 6000, please write it down on the comment section and don't forget to click the like button. Thank you!